How to disable Instagram account. Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing the ways to disable your Instagram account. In order to disable your Instagram account, make sure to stick with us right till the end. Also check your internet connection, log in into your Instagram account. Once you're logged in, tap the profile icon from the bottom right hand side, go to try bars, and here go ahead and select settings and privacy. Once you tap on settings and privacy, it's going to take you to your account or account center. Just go ahead and tap on account center. Once you've done that, go to personal details. Underneath, you'll be able to see the same interface as on your Facebook. So Instagram has made it possible that through the help of your Instagram application, you'll be able to disable or delete your account. Now tap the account ownership and control button. As soon as you've done that, go ahead and select deactivation or deletion. Select the particular account that you wish to deactivate or delete and tap the continue button. Once you've done that, you'll be asked to provide in your current password, and as soon as you're done entering the current password, you'll be able to see a notification stating that your account has been successfully deactivated for 30 days, and after 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. So in this way you can disable your Instagram account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.